Making some quick hot wings. First, I'm gonna put the oil in here. I'm keeping the seasoning simple today. I'm gonna add salt, black pepper, garlic. Got some crystal hot sauce. I got a bowl to go in the microwave. I got some butter. I'm gonna slap 2 tablespoons of butter in here and melt it. I just changed my mind. I do that when I'm cooking sometimes. So yes, I'm gonna use some seasoning salt, Lorry's seasoning salt instead. That's how it is. You know, I'm gonna slap some of this in here like this. I'm gonna slap some black pepper in it. Then I'm gonna slap some garlic powder in it. Now that you slap everything in it, just mix it up. Get your hands dirty. Now we're gonna prep the batter. We're gonna slap some complete seasoning and some Old Bay. We're gonna slap it in here like this. I'm gonna slap some Old Bay in here like this. Then I'm gonna put some flour on top. Now that I got the flour on top, I'm gonna slap back some complete seasoning back on top of it. Slap back some Old Bay on top of it. I'm gonna slap some mustard to the chicken real quick just to make it stick. Not that I'm making mustard fried chicken, I'm just trying to make it stick. Now that I slapped the mustard on top, time to get your hands dirty again. You gotta mix this up. Now that all that is done, you take the chicken, you slap it in there like that. Just like that. And we're gonna slap this on top of here. We're gonna close it, then we're gonna shake it up. While I wait for the oil to warm up, I'm gonna slap this in the oven. Not in the oven, but the microwave. Don't mind that. Now we're gonna slap the hot sauce in this bowl right here. This is the thing, if you want it really hot, put more hot sauce, put less butter. If you want it mild, put more butter, put less hot sauce. Real simple. Let's go. Now we're gonna slap the hot sauce in here. You really gotta slap it with your hands because it takes time to come out. I got the hot sauce in there. I want it mild because I got a towel, so I'm gonna slap a lot of butter. Meantime I got that going, I'm gonna make me some green beans. I ain't checking the temperature of the oil. It looks like it's ready to go. It's ready to go time. I'm gonna slap some chicken in the grease. I'm gonna slap like 3 pieces at a time. Let it cook, let it shine. All this chicken is gonna be mine. I'm gonna cook this for about 5 to 8 minutes. Chicken cooking good, cooking great. Now I'm gonna turn on the TV while I wait. Cooking nice and crispy. I'm gonna let it sit in here for another 2 minutes. I just got done frying the first batch. I figure I'm gonna cook the second batch at the same time. This took me 10 minutes, so second batch should take me about 10 minutes also. While I'm waiting for my last batch of chicken to fry, let me go ahead and check on my green beans. Right now I got some green beans with bacon inside of it and some onions. I got that going. Now that the chicken is done, let it dry, let it cool down, let it drip into the paper towel before we go ahead and put the sauce on top of it. So this part is going to be real simple, guys. We're going to take the chicken, we're going to slap it in here, your desired amount that you want to eat right now. So we can slap 2 pieces in there. We're going to cover it. When we cover it, we're going to make sure we cover it good, and we're going to shake this up. So I shook up the chicken, it's shaking. I'm going to take the chicken, I'm going to slap it in my plate that I want to eat or eat. Look at that. Look at that. Look on the blood clot chicken there. That's what I'm talking about, folks. Let me give you my Alabama accent now. That's what I'm talking about there. That's some piece of chicken right there. Dade County. That chicken look good, my boy. New York. That's what I'm talking about, son.